Hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to solve class 8 maths exercise 8.1 question number 4 and 5. In my previous video I already solved question number 1, 2 and 3. Okay. So in question number 4 it is given that if the SP of 10 pen is equal to the CP of 8 pen, calculate the loss or gain percentage. So how we will find the loss or gain percentage, I'm going to explain here. Okay. So this is question number 4 solution. So we will just assume that let the CP of one pen be X. Therefore the CP of 8 pens equal to 8x. So you all know that if the CP of one pen is X, then the CP of 8 pen will be 8 into X, it will give us 8x. Okay. Now according to the question we will write here. So SP of 10 pen equal to 8x. Why SP of 10 pen equal to 8x? Because in the question it is already given that the SP of 10 pen is equal to the CP of 8 pen. So CP of 8 pen we get how much? 8x. Okay, here we get 8x. Okay, now what we will do here, therefore SP of one pen equal to 8x upon 10. Why? Because see here SP of 10 pen is given, we get 8x. So to find the SP of one pen we will divide this 8x by this 10. Okay, so when you will divide this 8x by 10, then you will get 0.8. okay, here a decimal, wait, this is decimal. Okay, so 0.8x we get. So when you will compare CP and SP, then you will get CP is greater than SP. Okay, so here CP is greater than SP, so we can say that there is loss in whole transaction. Okay, so see, when CP will be greater than SP, then there will be loss. Okay, and when SP will be greater, then there will be profit. So in whole transaction there is loss, so we will find loss percentage. Okay, so loss formula is what we will write here. Loss equal to CP minus SP. This is what formula. Okay, now see, CP is how much? CP we have taken X. Okay, minus SP, how much we get? 0.8x. okay, now what we will do, we will simplify. Okay, so how to simplify, I am going to explain here. See, so X will remain as such, minus 8 is there, X, and after decimal how many numbers are there? There is only one number, so we will take 10, it means 10. Okay, and here nothing, then we can take 1. Now LCM of 1 and 10 will give us 10. So when you will divide this LCM denominator by this denominator 1, then you will get 10, and 10 into X will give us 10x, minus 10 divided by 10 will give us 1, and 1 into 8x. Okay, so 10x minus 8x will give us 2x upon 10. Now we can cancel it. 2 5 are 10, so finally we get how much? X upon 5. Okay, so loss we get how much? X upon 5. Now we will find loss percentage. Okay, loss percentage. So loss percentage formula is what? L means loss upon CP into 100. Okay, 100% this one. Now according to the formula, we will put the value here. Okay, so loss, how much we get? Loss we get x upon 5, right? And then CP we have taken x, okay, and then into 100. Okay, so now see how to simplify this expression. So here nothing, then we can take 1. Okay, so x upon 5 is there. So when this x upon 1 will go upside, then this 1 will go up and x will come down. Okay, into 100. Okay, now what we can do, we can cancel this x and x, and finally we can cancel this 100 also. So when you will divide 100 by 5, then 5 to a 10 and 0 will remain, so we get how much? 20. Okay, so in this way you have to find out. So loss percentage we get how much? 20%. Okay, so in this way you have to solve. Okay, now I'm going to solve question number 5. See, in question number 5 it is given that a cycle bought for rupees 5,000 is again sold at a profit of 12%. Find the SP of the cycle. So how you'll find the SP of the cycle, I'm going to explain here. Okay, so now I'm going to solve question number 5. So in the question, whatever it's given, I'm going to write down here. See, so given CP, cost price is given rupees how much? 5,000. This is 5. Okay, and profit how much given? 12%. Profit is equal to 12%, and we have to find out SP, means selling price we have to find out. So selling price formula is what? This question is very simple. See, so selling price formula is what? We will write here. SP is stand for selling price. So selling price formula is what? 100 plus profit upon 100 into CP. Okay, by applying this formula we will find out the solution of this question. Okay, so see, according to the formula we will put the value here. So 100 will remain as such, plus profit is given in the question already, that is 12, so we will write here 12 upon 100, right? Then again into, and CP how much given? CP is given, that is 5,000, right? 5,000. Okay, so how you will simplify, you can look over it. See, 100 plus 12 will give us 112, right? Upon 100, then into 5,000. Now we can cancel these 2 zeros. Okay, so this 2 zero will get cancelled. Now how much remain? 112 into 50. Okay, so when you multiply 112 by 5, then 112 into 50 will give us 5600. Okay, so this will be the selling price. Okay, so finally this will be the answer of this question. Okay, so in this way you have to solve. Okay, so I'm going to scroll. Okay, I'm going to scroll, so you can look over it, you can pause the video and you can write down the solution properly. Okay, so whatever I solve, all the solution I attach here. Okay, so you can look over it.